Hello, my name is Haas. I'm CTO of Huawei Germany and responsible for Solution Sales Department. Together with my team, we are dealing with all technology, network and business issues of our customer. Regards my career in Huawei, this is really a very, very long story. I got in touch with Huawei 1999 at ITU exhibition in Geneva. A few months later, on 16th of March 2000, I signed the first contract with Huawei. I acted as agent and later with my team as system integrator. After contract signature, we started together with my old friend, Mr. Zhang Yin, who was responsible for business development in Western Europe at that time, to promote our solutions and the company in Germany. We spent thousands of miles on the highways and talked a lot and did presentations at many of customers to attract them and to win them for Huawei. At that time, I've learned a lot about China, about Huawei as a company, and about Huawei people. It was really a tough task. Nobody has known Huawei at that time. We participated in tenders, mainly based on paper descriptions. And I remember quite well in one meeting, a decision maker of a customer said, "I think your technology is quite good. Your price is attractive. But I cannot choose you. What shall I do if the network is down? Who will help you? You? Shall I call somebody in China? I cannot select you. The risk is too high." We have been quite sad and went back and thought what to do. Then we decided to build up a lab, to hire people, to train engineers and the sales team. And continuously we started to promote Huawei and solutions. Exactly 1 year after signing my first contract, on 13th of March 2001, we signed the first frame contract in Germany. The first or one of the first contracts in Western Europe at all. This was the beginning, and after a couple of years, we had around about 10 customers in Germany and Austria. And early 2004, the former president of Western European region, Mr. Deng Tao, asked me to join the Huawei Germany team to build up a big and successful office. And from this time on, we started as a startup, and meanwhile, all over Germany, we have more than 1,200 employees. My solution sales team in Germany is key for success. Technology first is #1 decision criteria of our customers. They have to ensure their competitiveness in a very tough and competitive market. Price can be managed, but technology is key. From the beginning, I prefer a 1+1 team setup. That means Chinese colleagues together with local colleagues to ensure a perfect and efficient end-to-end communication from customer to headquarter to R&D and back. If we can achieve 1+1 is more than 2, we will be successful. I would like to share with you the experience of one of my exciting projects. In 2004, in German office, we have been in a startup situation. We participated in a very important tender at a big mobile operator in Germany for an intelligent network solution, a big software application. Competition against 12 well-known vendors from the global market. Our team, our local team, consists of around about 5 people. And of course, we had a big support team from headquarters in China. Unfortunately, all these people had limited English language capabilities at that time. It was hard for them to understand questions of the customers during the meetings and answer them sufficient. But due to the huge contribution of the whole team, we achieved the final 2 shortlists. Then we got a letter from our customer. Today, I think it was a nice letter. At that time, we had been very sad. Customer said, "Dear Huawei team, thanks for your contribution, but we cannot select you. Even we believe your technology is the best, but we have no business experience with you. You are too unknown for us. The risk for us is too high." The second part of the letter, we are quite confident that we will do business in the near future with you. As a result out of this, they sent a big team to China for evaluation of our solutions, our processes, and our quality management system. And in fact, half a year later, we did the first business with them in a complete different area. Today, we are the key sole supplier for many, many network areas and for terminals of this operator. This is the first part of the story. The second now. 5 years later, in 2009, the customer again issued a tender for this technology. The former selected solution was end of life and could not fulfill future requirements. And we participated again. This time, we have been ready from organization point of view. We have been number 1 in technical evaluation and could convince customer in all other areas, project management and implementation capabilities. And we got the project, not only for Germany, for the whole global group of this customer, which is Telefonica. This story is very typical for Huawei and Huawei people. Never give up. If we are not ready now, we will improve ourselves, do everything to be prepared for next chance. If next chance is coming, we will win. Huawei mission is enrich life through communication. Wherever you are, whatever you do, enjoy advanced communication services. This, for example, is our latest data stick for 4G LTE technology. As a key inventor for such kind of devices, Huawei enabled mobile broadband business for millions of users all over Europe. Behind that, we also engage more and more in social events and responsibility for society. For example, in Germany, we are a member of the so-called Smart 2020 project. As a key contributor here, together with other famous companies like SAP, Deutsche Telekom, Siemens, we are evolving and evaluating how much contribution the ICT industry can provide for CO2 reduction. Last but not least, Huawei is creating jobs in Europe. More than 5,300 people are working for Huawei all over Europe. And more than 65% of them are local people. Not only sales and support offices, we are moving as well R&D facilities to Europe. For example, we have research centers for mobile business in Stockholm, for application and software in Amsterdam, for network technology in Munich, and for microwave technology in Milan. So Huawei is moving to an international company with local actions and local flavor business behavior. And of course, we never forget our Chinese roots.